Hi students, today we will be continuing with Standard 9 Cbse Maths, and the chapter is the second chapter, Polynomials. Under Polynomials we are into zeros of a polynomial. So the other day we have solved some problems. Today we will continue with the same, zeros of a polynomial. So the question is verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial. So under this we will do some. So here the question is Px is equal to x square and x is equal to 0. Okay. Px is equal to x square and x is equal to 0. So here Px is equal to x square and the value of x is equal to 0. So we'll see. So now Px is 0 is equal to x square. So x again is 0. So it will be 0 square, that is 0. So we know that here, therefore x is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so here we see that x is the 0 of the polynomial. We'll do next. This is A, then we'll do one more B. Px is equal to Lx plus M is equal to Lx plus M. Okay, Lx plus M, and L, this is L is equal to x is equal to minus M upon, not L, this is x. Okay. So x is equal to minus L upon M. X is equal to minus M upon L. X is equal to minus M upon L. Okay. So here what is the sum? Px is equal to Lx plus M and the value of x is given minus M upon L. So here we are substituting again. Px is minus M upon L is equal to L. X is again this, so L into minus M upon L and plus M. Okay, so here again L and L will get cancelled, so what is remaining is minus M plus M. So this also plus M minus M will give us 0. So here also, therefore x is a 0 of the polynomial. In both the cases, we have seen that x is a 0 of the polynomial. I'll wrap this out, we'll go to the next. Now next is, this was verified. Now next we are going to find the 0. Here the next is find the 0. So find the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So we have to find, so here first sum is px is equal to x plus 5. We can take any, so px is equal to x plus 5. We have to find the 0 of the polynomial. So here px is equal to 0, because we have to find the 0 of the polynomial. We will be taking px is equal to 0. If px is equal to 0, naturally x plus 5 will also be equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Then we have to find the value of x. So x is equal to, naturally plus 5 will go to the other side, so it will become minus 5. Okay. So we have found the value of x is minus 5. If we are taking x as minus 5 in this expression, we will get the answer 0. If we substitute, this is the answer, x is equal to minus 5. But if we want to find the proof, okay, so x plus 5 is equal to 0 we have taken. Now we got the value of x as minus 5. So here we are substituting for x minus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Correct? 5 minus 5 will give us 0. So that proves that x is equal to minus 5 in this. Similarly, we will do one more. Then b will take px is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay. Here we are taking x plus 5, here we are taking 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. So again, p 0 is equal to 2x plus 5. Therefore, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to minus 5 other side. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. This will be the value of x here. So x, if we take x as minus 5 upon 2, we should be getting 0 for this. So we'll do the proof also. Now 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 we have taken. Now x we got minus 5 upon 2. So 2 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining is minus 5 plus 5. So again minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. You got it? So here find the zeros, we have found the zeros. If you take here the value of x as minus 5, it will be a 0 of the polynomial. Here if we take x as minus 5 upon 2, for this expression we get it as a 0. Got it? Okay, we'll do some more. I'll rub this out and we'll go to the next problem. Here Px is equal to Cx plus D. Okay, Cx plus D, and then it is given that C is not equal to 0. So C value is more than 0. That is what is given. It is not equal to 0. It can be less than 0 or more than 0. C, D, and also it is given that C and D are real numbers. So what is given is Px is equal to Cx plus D, wherein C is not equal to 0. So C can be more than 0 or it can also be less than 0. It is not equal to 0. And C and D are real numbers. So C and D also are real numbers which have what values. So here we have to find the 0. So here again P x is 0 is equal to C into 0, x is again 0 plus D. Okay. Now here it will be E0 is equal to Cx plus D. So therefore Cx plus D is equal to 0. Then here first we have to find the value of x. So therefore first we'll shift D to the other side. So Cx is equal to minus D. D will go to the other side of the equation, it will be minus D. Now remaining is Cx is equal to minus D. Again we have to shift C to the other side because we have to find the value of x. So therefore x is equal to minus D. Now this C is in multiplication with x. So if it goes from multiplication, it will go to division. So minus D upon C. So here we are getting the value of x is equal to minus D upon C. So we have to again see whether this value of x as minus D upon C will give us a 0 for this expression. So now we have got the value of x is equal to minus D upon C. We'll substitute that here in this. So Cx plus D. Okay. Then x is equal to minus D upon C. So x is equal to minus D upon C. So here C into x is minus D upon C. Minus D upon C plus D. So this C and this C are getting cancelled. What we have is minus D plus D. So minus D plus D again is equal to 0. Minus D plus D, D minus D. Okay, got it? So this is how we are doing finding out the zeros of a polynomial. So subscribe to my channel please, and more will be in my next video. Okay, thanks.